Using AI to generate product idea. Can you use AI to generate product ideas? When you can use AI to brainstorm, you can surely use AI to generate product ideas as well. Well, now that we have covered some traditional brainstorming techniques, let's see how AI can take your product idea generation to the next level. We will look at 3 amazing tools called ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai. So let's get started. First up is ChatGPT. This AI tool can generate creative ideas based on the prompts you give it. For example, you can ask ChatGPT what could be new products to offer as a type of industry serving the niche that you want to serve. In seconds, you will get a list of unique suggestions. It's like having a brainstorming partner 24/7. Let's find it for ourselves. This is ChatGPT. What could be new product ideas to offer as the type of industry, as a digital marketing service provider, or as a digital marketing expert serving the niche, so coaches and consultants. Okay, some issues with the network. I copy the prompt, I refresh it. Do I get it? Awesome. So here I have it. So some of the product ideas: personal branding packages, automated webinar funnels, online course creation, podcast launch, email marketing automation, SEO and content strategy, lead magnet development, social media ad campaigns, client onboarding systems, membership site setup, and so on. So these are just a few product ideas that I have from ChatGPT. I can keep asking it to create more product ideas for me until I get I am able to filter down from 10 or 20 product ideas to 4 or 5 product ideas, and ultimately leading to one product idea that I want to start with. Then we have Copy.ai. This tool is similar to the others but offers a different perspective. You can input a brief description of what you are looking for, and Copy.ai will generate creative ideas that you might not have considered. Let's find out what Copy.ai does. Again, we copy paste the same prompt. What could be new products to offer as a digital marketing expert serving coaches and consultants? Okay, I click on go, and here I have it. So automated client management platform, online course creation, virtual event planning, SEO and content strategy audit, podcast products. So some of them are similar to what we created, what we got on ChatGPT, and some of them are new ideas. So we can put them all together. And then you have the options like to add your brand voice. If you have a specific brand voice that you, or the type of audience who you want to cater to, you can add your brand voice. So that's how you use Copy.ai. So using tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai can significantly speed up your brainstorming process and provide you with fresh, innovative ideas.